As a store owner, are you struggling to find ways to maintain a connection with customers who have visited your website? An effective solution is to build an email marketing system. And ViNext Email Collect will help you easily collect customer emails to grow your own system. This app allows you to create beautiful pop-ups that attract visitors to leave their email for a coupon. You can completely customize the design to match your store's style. Alternatively, you can turn the shopping experience into an exciting game with the spin to win wheel. You have full control over the prizes and winning odds. And you can track detailed performance with visual reports and view the list of registered customers, thereby evaluating the effectiveness of attracting customers to leave their email. And many more features are waiting for you to discover. Collect emails, increase sales, and stay connected with customers, all in one app. Install ViNext Email Collect today.